Hi everyone, welcome to Supernatural Grace blog. Welcome to my kitchen, and I am here to show you my tip on how to make the best ham for your holidays. Before I tell you the secret is, let me tell you a little bit of the story. When I graduated from school, I was going high school, I was going to college, and I used to work for a fine dining restaurant in Las Vegas. Yes, people, in Las Vegas. I'm from Las Vegas. So, well, I'm from Mexico, but I was raised in Las Vegas. And at this fine dining restaurant, I got a lot of tips and tricks for a lot of the food, and one of them is turkey and the ham for the holidays. So I'm gonna share with you the simple way that restaurants in Las Vegas don't tell you how to have the best turkey or the best ham. But in this recipe is gonna be the ham. I'll make another one for the turkey. This is all you need. Now, I need you to imagine, because I am not gonna be doing it today because I won't be cooking this until 2 more days. But I wanted to get this video out so you can get your ingredients ready, okay? So obviously you're gonna need your ham. Any ham that you like, organic, not organic. You pick the ham, uncooked ham. Then you're gonna grab 2 pineapple juices. I like to do 2. I might not use it all, but I like to have 2 because I rather have extra juice than be short on juice. So then I get 2 juice. It doesn't have to be this brand. Alon's is your favorite pineapple juice. And 1 bottle of white wine. The same. It has to be your favorite bottle of wine. If you buy a $15-$20 bottle of wine or $3-$4 at Walmart, it's actually the flavor what you keep in, because the alcohol is gonna be gone as soon as you have this ham in the fire, in the oven. And then you're gonna need a large pot. So this is the secret. You will defrost your turkey or your ham, but this time is a ham. I'm sorry, I'm getting confused. You will defrost your ham, and then let's pretend that I defrost my ham and I put it in this large pot. This is why you need a large pot, because you are going to add all the juices in the pot, and you have to keep it in the fridge for 24 hours. So remember, you need 1 bottle of white wine as you choose, any bottle, as long as you like the fruits or the flavor of the wine. And you need pineapple. You are going to pour all those juices, all right, we're pretending here, into your large pot. And then you're gonna place your ham in your fridge for 24 hours before you put it in the oven. What I usually do, when this is all done after 24 hours, I will place this in my cooking sheet or my then put it in the oven following the instructions of my ham. I will bake it, and then 10 minutes before I get it out of the oven, that's when I will put the glaze or brown sugar on the top of the ham, and then I uncover my ham too, because I like the glaze to be a little burnt or a little crispy and melted for sure. And then that's it. That's what I used to see all the fine dining restaurants in the casino that I used to work in Las Vegas, Nevada, with all those famous, we had a couple famous chefs, and that's all what they do for the ham for the holidays. They used to have this huge bucket just full of pineapple juice and white wine, and they will keep those hams in the huge conventional, what do you call it, huge fridge, 24 hours before they have those hams in the fire. So that is the tip that I learned. I will be making a second video, and that is gonna be for the turkey. But I know I'm not physically showing you what I'm doing, but I'm pretty sure that you got picture what I'm trying to say here. Remember, you just need pineapple juice. You just need a large pot, a clean one, that you're gonna add your ham in there, and 1 bottle of white wine. And like I said, you don't have to buy the most expensive one, because it's along the flavor, if you like the flavor of your wine. A lot of people might be concerning like, well, I won't be able to feed this to my kids. That's not true, because the alcohol in the wine is going to not be there anymore, because it's going to disappear with the cooking stages of your ham in the oven. So all that is gonna be left over in this ham is going to be the taste of the wine and the sweetness also of the pineapple. So that is just a tip that I wanted to share with you guys. I know the holidays are around the corner, so that's why I want to make this very quick, so you can get ready with these 2 ingredients and a nice very large pot for your ham for these holidays. All right, hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. I'll be happy to give you more tips next time. I'll see you guys soon.